EasyDiag is a diagnostic module for a diagnostic all car by engine and all. I got EasyDiag 3.0. I don't have any software, no EasyDiag, no demo. I should buy one car for $50. Then I got EasyDiag files. EasyDiag files is need for activation of car. A link to EasyDiag 3.0 I left in description, and official launch store on AliExpress. And if you want cashback, I left link to cashback service in description. Look at this as a little defective cable. Okay, about function. Function is the same such as EasyDiag 2.0. It's just work faster than 2.0, and this all of difference. Okay, all people wants to know it's possible to activation of cars and function or not. I say yes, it's possible. It's possible by online activation. If you want to know what is it and how it to do, you can write me. I left my email on description. Okay, look at the application. Okay, I had EasyDiag 2.0. I tried to do screen records. Moment. Okay, now I got a new version, EasyDiag 3.0. Okay, just wait. Okay, I don't do registration now, but previously I register all the adapter, and I'll show you launch account here. Do you see? This is account of EasyDiag 3.0. I don't have any car. Look at this. I need to buy car. One car is $50. 3 cars 100, and 5 cars 150. Here I should buy one car, and then I can get EasyDiag and activate all cars. Okay, thank you for watching. If you got some question, you can